Hello, this is a video on chords. So basically, if you are watching this, it's probably because either I just told you to automatically watch all of the videos I've made, or because you're having some problems with chords. You know, if you're looking at a chord chart for goodness of God in B flat, and you see a B flat, okay, what does that mean? Like, what is a B flat chord? Does it mean you play like a bunch of B flats? Does it mean you play like all the black notes along with B flat? How are you supposed to know? Well, that's what I'm here to tell you. So music, at least the way that Western music is, including gospel music and contemporary Christian music, which are the two types of music you'll be playing, are made up of scales. Mainly what are called diatonic scales. And what that means is it is an 8-note scale. So something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That sort of thing. Or maybe it's minor, more sad, spooky, dreary. But it's made up of these scales, and the way that chords work is the main chords that we're going to be playing and that you have to learn. I hope that you learn how to do more than just these, but the main chords that you have to know in order to play keyboard at Newark are triads. And what that is it takes the 1, the 3, and the 5 of whatever scale you're talking about. So when you see a thing on the chord chart, what you're going to be doing is taking the 1, the 3, and the 5 of the scale of that letter on there. So let's say that the chord chart says B flat. Well, then we're going to need to work with the B flat scale. If it says G minor, like you'll see in Goodness of God, then you'll have to play the G minor scale. So what you do for that is you find that scale, you understand it, and then you take the 1, the 3, and the 5 of it, and that's your chord. So, for instance, the B flat scale. Let's count and find the 1, the 3, and the 5 of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what you have here is the 1, the 3, and the 5. And then what you can do with that is you can take these 3 notes and put them anywhere on the piano, okay? So let's say you put them here. You can even take this B flat from the bottom and put it up here. That's still a B flat chord. Or you can do it again. Take this D and move it up here. That's still a B flat chord. You can play B flats anywhere and it'll be fine. So if the chord chart says B flat, you can play like... It doesn't matter because that's a B flat chord. Let's do another example. Let's say that we're working with the G minor scale. Sorry, wrong. Yeah. So you take the 1, the 3, and the 5 of that. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a G minor chord. And so is this. And so is this. This is what you play for G minor. And so you just take the 1, the 3, and the 5 of the scale, and you play that. And that's all. So I hope that this has been helpful with chords. Yeah, if you have any questions, just comment or send me a message or whatever. So thanks for watching.